Welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to create our last platform, fan platform. So click on assets, go to platform folder, click on fan and select the fan. So simply just convert into 16 pixel per unit and filter mode into no filter and then apply. Also click on sprite editor, click on slice, select type automatic and press slice and apply and close it. Now drag the fan into hierarchy panel and select and rename it fan platform. Perfect. Now drag the animation just here and select the fan platform. We are going to create two animations: asset animation, platform animation. First is fan idle and drag it, and if I press play, as you can see, fan is in idle state. And also now select fan just and create a new clip and fan on. Now select these and just drag these into timeline, and if I press play, as you can see, fan is rotating. Now what we are going to do, just drag it here. So here we are going to write script for our fan and also our platform. As when we press play, here you can see only our background is animated. We also want that when we press play, when our player jumps on fan, first of all select box collider 2D, click on add and adjust. Now if I press play, when our character fall on fan, what I am going to do that the fan is turned on. Also our platform also start moving. So in next lecture we will write the script for our fan and also for our platform. See you in next lecture.